Jean has made a piece of stained glass art in the shape of two mountains, as shown in the figure below. One mountain peak is 8 feet high, while the other peak is 12 feet high. Each peak forms a 90-degree angle under straight lines from a 45-degree angle of the ground. The artwork has an area of 183 square feet. The sides of the mountain meet at an intersection point near the center of the artwork, h feet above the ground. What is the value of h? Okay, so the area of, so a concept you need to know for this problem is the concept of 45, 45, 90 triangle. So this is a right triangle, and then these two sides are both 45 degrees. If this is the case, then these two sides are going to be equal. So the two sides is not the hypotenuse going to be equal, and the hypotenuse is going to be those x times root of 2. So this always applies to all 45, 45, 90 triangles. So as we can see here, these two triangles are actually 45, 45, 90, and so are these triangles here. So that means here is also 12, and this side is also 8. And then we know this side is going to be 12 root 2, and this side is going to be 8 root 2, yeah. Okay, so then the area of this triangle is going to be 8 root 2 times 8 root 2, because this side here is also 8 root 2, so divided by 2 is going to be equals to 64 times 2 root 2, which is 64. Okay, so what about this other big triangle here? Okay, so the area of, what is the area of this triangle here? That's going to be 12 root 2 times 12 root 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 144 times 2 divided by 2. That's equals to 144. So the total area of these two triangles is 144 plus 64, which gives us 208. But that exceeds the what the question told us. It told us this R was the area of 183. So we overcounted, and the part we overcounted is actually this part here, this triangle, you see? Wait. This triangle, we overcounted this triangle here. You see this triangle? Because it was counted in both of the areas. So we actually overcounted this triangle. So then we need to minus the area of that triangle, and it should give us 183. So to find the area of that red triangle, we just minus 183. We minus 183 from here, and we get 183. So 208 minus 183 gives us 2. So the area of this red triangle is 25. Okay, let me draw the red triangle again bigger so it will look better. Okay, so this is h, right? Well, then this is also h, and then this is going to be 12.5. The hypotenuse is 12.5. So what does that mean? That means we can just use the Pythagoras theorem. So so h squared plus h squared is equals to 12.5 squared. So 2h squared is equals to 156.25. Okay, wait. Okay, no. We don't need to do this, right? All right. So okay. So the area of this is actually just going to be 25, right? So all you need to do is h times h over 2 is going to be equals to 12.5, because 12.5 is the area of half of it, right? Okay, so the area of half of it is 12.5, because the area of the whole thing is 25, so half of it is 12.5. So we just calculate the area of this. So h squared over 2 equals to 12.5. So h squared is equals to 25. That means h is equals to 5. So our answer is choice B.